Hello everyone, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee, and I have a Jura and an 8. So this machine was having some issues with a clogged grinder and just not brewing a good shot of espresso. No water was coming out, and I found that it was clogged and needed a tune-up, so I flushed out all the excess coffee from the group and descaled the machine. I cleaned out the grinder as well, and I took the brew unit apart, lubricated it, cleaned it, replaced gaskets, and so now I'm just going to show you that the machine still works. The customer was using a dark roast in this machine, which was the cause of these issues with the grinder. So now I have a medium roast in here, and we'll see how it goes. All right. Okay. So there we have our shot of espresso, as you can see. Got some nice crema on top. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. And that's about it for this video. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.